golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Weatherford, Benbrook, Mineral Wells, White Settlement, Hazel, River Oaks, Sansom Park, Lake Worth, Eagle Mountain, Briar, Pecan Acres, Willow Park, Reno, Aledo, Springtown, Westworth Village, Hudson Oaks, Pelican Bay, and Rome. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 between mile markers 401 and 431. Interstate 30 between mile markers 1 and 10. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for North Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
I'm not really a fan of this new emergency alert system that they have on Spectrum. I kind of like it the way it was.
Vending machines and buying a car 100% on.
A severe thunderstorm complex is located near Mineral Wells, moving east at 45 miles per hour. This storm has a history of producing golf ball-sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Wise, southeastern Jack, for all of Parker County, and for western Tarrant County until 4 o'clock. A severe thunderstorm located near Mineral Wells, moving east between 45 and 50 miles per hour. It has potential golf ball-sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.